this little review on this detergent. So this is the Method Laundry Detergent, free and clear. And it don't have a real smell to it, but it smells so clean. This stuff is expensive, y'all. You know, I usually use, well, not all the time, I usually cheap stuff. Y'all see, I use Tide and all kinds of detergent. But this was really expensive. I had it for a while. This is my first time using it. So I put my clothes in the machine. I have my little house dresses that y'all seen all along, and just a blanket and sheets and stuff like that. So this is with plant-based stain lifting power, hypoallergenic formula, powerful stain lifter, free of dyes and fragrances, gentle for sensitive skin, is good for HE and for all washers. So I saw this at CVS. I had this maybe 6 months or more, but y'all know I got so much detergent. But my girl Keena wanted to see me washing clothes and the laundry detergents and stuff. And I usually put it on my Sasha Monique Talks Soap and Suds review channel. But I am going to start back adding some back over here because everybody don't go over there. And so you will start to see more on more reviews on this channel. And I'm going to put some on the other channel as well. But I hope this work, y'all, because you know a lot of hypoallergenic stuff still don't work for me. But I think I like this because it's not no smell to it, but it don't smell cheap because it's not cheap. And it's a nice size bottle. You don't use that much. But being that the machines downstairs, they're not good with soap. So I put about this much, and then I added a little more. But if you add the whole thing, you take them clothes out, they're gonna be just as soapy. And sometimes it doesn't rinse at all, you know, those kind of machines. Okay, so it's concentrated, powerful stain lifter, gentle for sensitive skin. I said all that. Works in cold water, that's good. I don't use a lot of cold water, but maybe I should start, because like the colored clothes, that may help them not fade so fast. Yeah, so how many ounces is this? 53.5 fluid ounces. So this brand, I tried the sage one. I like that one. And there's another one I tried, and I was really allergic to it. So I had to use it for something else. But it was a good detergent. So they have the Method not bath beads. They have the Method laundry beads. Okay, and they're kind of expensive too. But I may, if I have a coupon or something, I may pick some up because I think it may be pretty good because this is a decent brand. Okay, so I will come back when my clothes are ready. Y'all, that big bulky blanket I had, I won't show that to y'all because I had it for a long time. And you know how you, when it's real cold, you put maybe a not so nice heavy blanket and then you'll put a nice one on top. That's what I do. So I'm not going to show that to y'all. I love that blanket, and it's real heavy. It's actually a quilt, and it's real heavy, but I cannot get rid of it. Some things I just can't get rid of, y'all. So I'll be back when the clothes are done, okay? Okay, my clothes is finished. It took a long time. I was fighting with that machine. It kept stopping on number 8. Just a mess. But my clothes came so clean, so clean, so clean. Everything is so bright. That's my sheet, that's my shirt. The big old ugly quilt, I'm not showing y'all. It almost broke the machine, y'all. It is so big, it's so heavy. So that detergent is excellent. You don't have to use that much. It's good. It cleans very well. Clothes smell so clean. So I will be buying it again. It's expensive, but I don't have to use that much, so I will be buying it again. Okay, so y'all have a wonderful day. More reviews will be coming soon, okay? Bye.